What's up, Financial Hawks? It's Eric, and in today's video, we'll be doing a very quick rundown of QuickBooks. Alright guys, so we're currently on the QuickBooks site right now, and I pretty much just want to give you guys just a quick breakdown of kind of the basic stuff you'll see on this if you just have a basic LLC, so that you guys can understand what you'll see behind the scenes if you do decide on using QuickBooks to manage your business on the funding side and also dealing with your taxes and whatnot. All right, this is something I definitely wish I would have saw prior, just so I can have an idea before I purchase something. All right, so we're currently on my dashboard right now. Your business overview page still pretty much show exactly how much money your business is, currently getting. Right now, I have everything linked up to my Novo banking account, which was super easy to do actually. And I actually may make a video where I should show you guys on this, but I actually want to make this one super quick right now. And I have been using this account for a minute, so you guys can kind of see how it would look like once you put in, some of your expenses and whatnot. So, you have your invoices, you have your expenses. You can see that by year, last 30 days, this month, this quarter. You can break it down pretty easily. You can also see your bank accounts. You can see your profits and loss. So you can see how much money is coming in from income. You can also see all your expenses as well. And I like this feature right here. You can see 7 to review. So my expenses actually are going to increase there, because those are reimbursable, my business expenses. All right, next up on your transactions, you can see here once you have a account like linked up like Bank Novo, or maybe you're using Chase or Wells Fargo, whatever type of business account you have, if you are able to connect it to QuickBooks, whenever you make purchases on that business credit card or business debit card, you will get little pop-ups like this where you can review things, which makes it so much easier to manage things. All right, so as you can see, I have a few expenses that I've been using on my business debit card, like my book, and just like some general stuff for subscriptions and whatnot. QuickBooks itself, paying for that's a business expense as well that you can get as a tax write-off. But you can look at all those right there, and then from there I can confirm those and I can add in any additional detail. I will be making a video on those expenses so you guys can see a quick like a quick rundown on that too. And you can see your app transactions, rules, if you have any rules there. Receipts, you can go ahead and upload those from Google Drive, your computer, or email. Pretty simple. You can also create tags for each of your money coming in or any expense. So it's pretty cool there, because you can actually track stuff by tags, and you can go ahead and search things by tags. And as you can see, I got a lot of different tags. I got tags for like the Secretary of State. so I could know exactly what stuff I was using directly with the government for documents and whatnot for your business. But I got Adobe, so I have an idea of my Adobe subscriptions, YouTube, Upwork, Internet, AdSense, all that I like to break down. But maybe I might do a video breaking down tags if you guys want me to. But again, this is just a quick overview. All right, I'm not trying to go into detail, just trying to show you guys what you will see. All right, and then from here on your expenses, as you can see your vendors, and as you can see, I have some of my vendors there: Fiverr, QuickBooks subscriptions, HO Stakes, Spectrum, etc., all right there, looking nice. Next up, you got your sales, and this is the overview page, and you can again, you can break it down by month, break it down by week, quarter, last year. Let's just do this week, $0. Yeah, I'm not surprised since this is a new week, but yeah, you can just break that down pretty easy there. Also too, if you wanted to get even more into depth, you can set up online and in-person payments. Like if you do have employees, you can set that all up, or if you're contracting people, you can set that all up within QuickBooks. All right, so then you can look at all your sales as well. Again, I'm not I don't have anything connected to this for selling, but if you wanted to use QuickBooks for all of that stuff, you can definitely do that if you would like to. Maybe I might do a video on that too. You can also create invoices pretty easily on here. You can see your customers as well if you were doing that, in your products and services. Again, I don't have any product or service connected directly with QuickBooks, so hey, if you are that type of person, who would be using QuickBooks primarily for that, you can definitely go into that as well. Again, I may play around with it if I get enough comments for people who want to look at that. All right, so your cash flow. On this tab, you can go ahead and just kind of see your money coming in, your money coming out. Again, just like a good little overview. QuickBooks Cash, all-in-one banking and payment. Again, if you wanted to use QuickBooks as your primary banking, hey, that's something you can definitely look at. And I do believe QuickBooks does give out business credit. I think they do give out a credit card and or a debit card, if I'm not mistaken too. So that, hey, that's something you can look at. And then from here, your payroll. I don't have payroll because right now I'm just primarily myself, or if I do have the contract work, I can just create some invoices for that if needed. And if I did, I would probably use my PayPal. But hey, maybe I might make a video trying that out with QuickBooks. All right. But yeah, if you do have payroll, you would have a higher account versus just like a simple LLC, solo member LLC. But yeah, payroll is all on there too. All right. And then you can look at your reports, and you can look at some of your your balance sheet, your profit and loss, your accounts receivable, all of that. It's pretty simple. And let me just bring up the balance sheet for February, and it pretty much just breaks down everything for you, so you can actually see your net gain versus all of your business expenses, different things like that, all broken down for you, which is very, very nice during tax season, since you have everything broken down. And then from there, you can see your taxes. Again, I just started this, but for next year, I'm pretty sure I'll have a lot more for this, and I can go ahead and control my taxes, hopefully pretty easily from this tab. All right. Now for mileage, if you were doing Uber Eats or maybe DoorDash or whatever, and driving is part of your business or whatever, you can actually use the QuickBooks app to control your mileage, so you can go ahead and get reimbursed for all your driving you're doing without having to do too much work. You can let them handle the tracking, and they'll put that in your QuickBooks account. So that's super cool, super simple. If you are somebody who does do driving, I would definitely look into this. All right, might as well save you some extra money, because that can definitely add up, all that driving. And then you got your accounting, chart of your accounts. I don't have anything to do with this right now. My accountant, if you want to go ahead and invite your accountant to your account so they can check everything, you can go ahead and send them an invite there, and they'll be able to have full access of everything, which is pretty cool too. So maybe if you wanted your tax accountant to do your taxes at the end of the year, for example, or beginning of the year, you can just send that to them or her, and they can do it. They can go ahead and check all of that. And then you got your apps as well, so you can go ahead and sync this to other accounts like Bank Novo, and as you see, a lot of others. You can have your tracking time, your invoices. It's a lot that you can connect with QuickBooks. So if you are thinking about having something that can help you out with your business on the finance side, I would definitely look into QuickBooks. All right. And then you got your live bookkeeping as well. Maybe if you wanted to talk with somebody in person, you can go ahead and see the prices that they offer. And that's, again, maybe if you have something way more complicated, you may want to look into that. Or maybe if you're garbage at money or math or whatever, you should have those people in person, and you can just explain everything to them, and they can do all that live with you in person. But overall, guys, this is a quick breakdown or quick rundown overview of QuickBooks. My review of QuickBooks for the amount of time I've been using it is pretty good. I would give it a 90 out of 100 so far. Maybe once I play around with the payroll and other things, The score may go up a little bit higher or maybe a little bit lower, but overall, I'm liking what I'm seeing. I'm liking how easy it is for me to connect my other banking accounts, my other business accounts to QuickBooks. Super easy, super simple. And I will definitely be glad to do breakdowns of each of these tabs if you guys would like me to. Anyways, if you haven't already, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And you should see 2 videos popping up on the side of the screen there. Go ahead and click on one of those videos and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Peace.